Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change voice on Discord Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're somewhat unhappy with your own voice and you'd like to change your voice on Discord, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. So we'll start our journey in the Play Store or the App Store depending on what device you're using. And you want to go and search for Voice Changer. And here you can actually choose from any one of these. Now there are good ones and there are bad ones. Voices AI is what I currently use, and it's actually pretty awesome. So I've installed it on my device. And this is what the app looks like. Basically, you're going to go and enter your text. You're going to choose a character. And then right at the bottom, you can change what that voice actually sounds like. So you can enhance it, you can add music, you can create your own voice, and then you can clone a voice as well. So once you've done that, and you say generate, you will have a voice the opportunity to hear a sample. You can then also download it in MP3 or MP4 format. And the MP4 format is just a video of the character. So from here, we're going to go out and it's saved. We're going to go into Discord and we're going to go into one of our servers, and at the bottom of your page, you'll see the plus icon. Once you tap on the plus icon, you can now look for the file that you just saved the voice. So we're going to go to Files, and here you will see all of the files on your device. If you downloaded the MP4, you'll have to click on Video Search for the file. Here it is, and you can now send this and it'll be your changed voice. Now I've used SpongeBob, you can choose any one of them. So that's basically how you can change voice on Discord Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.